Hello fan collectors. Well, I have here is a 1980 Robbins and Myers Hunter original ceiling fan. Yeah, this fan is heavy. It's the Robbins and Myers logo right here. I figured out it was a 1980s model. So I took the switch cap off, as you see it's missing. You see right here, 1980. I bought it for $50 off Craigslist here in Memphis. Man had wanted to get rid of it. He said when I bought it, it came with this pipe nipple. And it didn't have no hanger bracket, no rubber grommet, or no canopy at all. So I'm thinking I might scrap it and then try to get rid of it later on. And as you see, it comes with the adapter blades, and it's a 2-speeder. Yeah, it's kind of dull. It's hard to pull, but it still blows. It just acts like it wants to sometimes. Let me start it off on high. Yeah, just listen to that there. Okay, now here's low. Alright, that's off. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the adapter blades so you can change the pitch. And how do you do that? Easy. Hold it like that. Twist. Yep. And start all over again. Stop the wobbling. And low again. And off. Well, hope you enjoy.